In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a goal in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. Goals are managed inside the performance area, so you will start by heading into Settings. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings option. This is where Zoho People stores administrative and configuration tools, including anything related to performance management. After you open Settings, find and select Performance. The Performance section is used to organize goals, appraisals, and other tools that help track progress over time. Once you are in Performance, move to the top menu and click Goals. This takes you to the Goals area, where you can view existing goals and create new ones. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place by looking for the Goals page header and any existing goal entries. This helps you avoid adding a goal in the wrong module. Next, click the plus Add Goal button. This opens the form where you will define your new goal. When the goal creation form appears, you will be asked for 3 key details: the goal name, the timeline, and the weightage. Start with the goal name. Use a clear, specific title that describes the outcome you want to track. A good goal name is easy to recognize later in reports and performance reviews, so keep it focused and avoid vague wording. Then set the timeline. This is the period during which the goal will be active and evaluated. Choose dates or a time frame that matches how your organization measures performance, such as a month, a quarter, or a full year. Aligning the timeline with your review cycle helps keep tracking and evaluation consistent. Finally, enter the weightage. Weightage represents how important this goal is compared to other goals. In many setups, higher weightage means the goal has a larger impact on overall performance results. Use a value that reflects priority, and try to keep weightage consistent across goals so performance scoring remains balanced and fair. After you have entered the goal name, timeline, and weightage, review the details for accuracy before finishing the creation process in the form. And that covers everything you need to know.